Buy Nebraska auto insurance. Auto insurance in the state of Nebraska is a necessity for any driver. Follow these tips and suggestions when it's time for you to buy Nebraska auto insurance. Step 1. Get some quotes. The auto insurance industry is a competitive one. You'll find that if you call around to a few different auto insurance companies in Nebraska, you'll get a wide range of quotes. Make sure that you contact at least 3 to 4 different car insurance companies before deciding on a certain auto policy so that you'll know you're getting the deal. Look for auto insurance companies in Nebraska by keeping your eyes open for newspaper, television, or radio ads, and try your local phone book too. The internet is also a great place to get auto insurance quotes in Nebraska. Here are a few great sites to help you with your search. http://www.insurance.com http://www.insureme.com http://www.getmequote.com In Nebraska, you can expect to pay about $575 a year for car insurance. Step 2. Know the state minimums for liability coverage. When you're searching for auto insurance coverage in Nebraska, make sure that any policy you consider meets the required minimums for liability coverage. In Nebraska, all insured drivers need to have at least $25,000 for personal injury or death, $50,000 for total injury or death, and $25,000 for total property damage. In Nebraska, you're also required to carry at least $25,000/$50,000 uninsured/underinsured motorists coverage. Make sure your policy meets these requirements. If you're caught driving without sufficient insurance in Nebraska, your license will be suspended on the spot. The state of Nebraska is a tort state which holds at fault drivers responsible for paying all of the victim's expenses after an accident. This could include medical bills, vehicle repairs or replacement, pain, suffering, and even loss of wages. It's recommended that you opt for an insurance policy with higher liability coverage so that your policy fully covers you financially after an accident. Step 3. Consider excluding drivers from your policy. In Nebraska, the law allows for certain drivers in a household to be excluded from your auto insurance policy. This means that the names of excluded drivers will be explicitly listed in the exclusions section on your auto insurance policy. In the event of an accident where an excluded driver was to blame, Your policy will outline under what circumstances the insurance company will cover the damages. There are some cases where you'll be stuck with the entire bill. Be sure you read your insurance policy carefully before agreeing to exclude drivers from your auto insurance policy in Nebraska, as this could be a very costly mistake. Step 4. Know what to expect. Before you will be granted auto insurance in Nebraska, you'll be subject to a credit check. This means that your personal credit history will be considered before a policy rate is quoted to you. To keep your rates low, maintain a high credit score by paying your bills on time. You want your insurance risk score to be as good as possible, and having great credit history will make it easier for you to get the best rate possible when you buy auto insurance in the state of Nebraska.